The Government of India had recently announced the allotment of 13,02,413 metric tons of rice to beneficiaries of the northeastern states of Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram for the months of July to November 2021. Speaking at the press conference of 5th July 2021, the General Manager of the Food Corporation of India Northeast Frontier Region, P.N. Singh, informed that under the Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana 4, an additional 53,638 metric tons of rice has been allocated particularly to Meghalaya towards beneficiaries under the TDPS scheme. Each person under the scheme would be receiving 5 kgs of rice for free for the months of July to November 2021.
NEF region. Under this regional office, three region. One is Meghalaya, second is Mizoram, third is Tripura. You know very well the Government of India has extended Pmgkay-Iv scheme, Pradhan Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana, for further 5 months from July 21 to November 21. Under this scheme, 5 kg rice per person per month will be given. Under this scheme, for Meghalaya region, a quantity of 10,727.5 mt rice per month allotted. Total for 5 months, 53,637.9 mt. For Meghalaya, only for Meghalaya, I am telling for Meghalaya region. Total for 5 months, 53,637.9 mt and per month जो है वो 10,727.5 mt rice has been allotted to distribute to the beneficiaries. For मिजोरम पर मंथ जो राइस का एलोकेशन है वह है 3,341 mt पर मंथ. राइस का जो एलोकेशन है फॉर मिजोरम 3,341 mt एंड टोटल जो फॉर 5 मंथ के लिए 16,705 mt.